Most politicians plant promises. This guy actually plants vegetables. In the heart of Quezon City, where every street tells a story, one man has spent his life making sure those stories are about hope, unity, and growth. For more than a decade, Dr. Lamberto Q has been the steady hand and compassionate heart behind one of the city's most vibrant communities. As the longest-serving president of the Kings Point Homeowners Association, 10 consecutive years of service, he transformed a neighborhood into a model of cooperation and progress. In 2019, the people of District 5 entrusted him to represent them in the General Assembly of Homeowners and Neighborhood Associations, giving voice to the concerns of families, workers, and everyday citizens. His leadership extends beyond borders as Vice President of the Caloocan Bantayog JCs, a Paul Harris Fellow of the Rotary Club of Tandang Sora, and an awardee of the Ularang Amanang Longsod Quezon. Today, Dr. Nolasco champions a cause that touches every home food security through urban farming. From the award-winning Kings Point Joy of Urban Farming to partnerships with Quezon City University and USAID, he has turned idle spaces into sources of life, livelihood, and learning. He believes that a greener city is a stronger city, where every family has access to fresh food, every youth has a chance to learn, and every community has the tools to thrive. This is more than leadership. This is service rooted in action, compassion, and results. On Election Day, let's choose a representative who has already been working for us, side by side, for years. Vote Dr. Lamberto Q Nolasco, Urban Farming Sectoral Representative for the People's Council of Quezon City. Because when we plant together, we grow together.